How are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again another voice crack. For today's video, it's actually quite a weird, small video, but you know what? I'm genuinely excited for it. But before we hop into it, I want to say a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, which this video is going to be all about Pepper King. Let's quickly talk about that. Pepper King is actually a company that specialises in the best quality cabin air filters slash pollen filters, that's what we call it. And I'm going to get into why they are the best in the game in a little while. In the boot, of course, shout out Emerald Strut, we actually have us package. Look at that smiley face. Look at it, he's smiling. That is what the air in my car is going to be like right now. Oh, so let's quickly unbox this smiley face boy. Right there, so here is actually Pepper King's cabin air filter, and pretty much this cabin filter is like no other you've seen. Literally activated carbon layer, HEPA filter layer, oh my god, literally the amount of technology that they've done into a cabin air filter is ridiculously good. Hold on. So when I say I'm pretty excited about this, I genuinely do mean it. Because when a company puts this amount of thought into a product, it's hard not to enjoy it. Let me show you. Look at this thing. It literally looks like it should be in my room as a decoration. This air filter is literally on steroids. You've got the HEPA filter in the front, and also on the back of it, you've actually, I believe it's called activated carbon. There's so much science behind this air filter, it's actually ridiculous. Michael, take it away, because I'm gonna mess up if I try to talk about this. So this HEPA King filter is actually made up of 2 layers, including the HEPA filter layer, which common standards for them is it should remove from the air that passes through it at least 99.95% of particles whose diameter is equal to 0.3 micrometers. Jeez. And also it is made up of activated carbon layer, which is actually used in things such as air purification, sewage treatment, and they have literally used this in this air filter. You guys might be able to say that you got carbon on your mirrors, but I got carbon in my cabin filter, mate. Pretty much this is the first time I've done this, but I believe you slide that out and the pollen filter is right here and it will come out. You guys are going to see how dirty it is. Oh my god, that is filthy. Jeez, it's getting dirt all over my car. Right then, let's actually open this up and see how much dirt it's catched. Oh, on this side, barely anything. But this side, oh my god, look at all the dirt it's caught. You know what I mean? That's a mixture of like dust, pollen, I don't know, a load of stuff that you don't want to be really breathing in, but so yeah, let's actually compare this one to the Pepper King one. You can pretty much see that it's only like one material. I don't even know what it's made out of. They feel like something like my nan's blanket, you know what I'm saying? But pretty much, you guys already see the difference between the Pepper King one. This one has got like 2 layers or something. It's got the HEPA filter, and then we've got the activated carbon in the bag. Without further ado, get rid of that shit and let's get this installed. So here is the filter going straight back up. Very nice bit, just like that. Just need to put the padding on now, and just like that, the air filter is now all installed. Cover back on. Now if the aircon comes on, or the heater, now that that is on, that is now passing through the Pepper King air filter, which has got some bloody technology to it. I am going to be breathing very happy now. So you guys might be wondering, well, why would I buy that? Why would I need that? Have you seen the thing? Definitely, I think investing in this would be great, because literally us people are in our cars for hours or days every month, and pretty much it's nice just to know that all the air that's coming into the car It's filtered. And it's filtered to the best possible filtration. You know what I mean? Especially if you've got allergies or you've got kids, for example, you want the best filtration possible. So shout out HEPA King. Look at that. The stock thing, I'm gonna throw that in the bin as soon as this video's done. Let me do it now, actually. Oh, boom, look at that, in the bin. And yeah, HEPA King have clearly done their research into this stuff, so I'm gonna let them do the expert wizardry science stuff. And I'm just going to enjoy the fresh air. Ah, nice. Right then guys, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video. I know it's a very short one, but I want to say a huge thank you to HEPA King for sponsoring today's video. I am really a big fan of their product. Very small product, but it's something that you don't even realise how important it is, you know. So anyway guys, if you guys did enjoy, HEPA King links will be in the description below or in the pinned comments. Also, follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff and subscribe if you are new. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you love faces in my next video. Wow.